Hi Team 1 and Planning Analytics community, it is Brian from Cubewise. This version of Planning Analytics for Excel 2.0.100, also known as 2.1.7, was released on December 11th, 2024 and includes one new feature. The Preserve User Formulas property for universal reports will allow you to confidently refresh the reports without losing your carefully crafted formulas. To enable this property, simply edit the hidden formats region of your reports and add it to the p-named range. Set it to true and your formulas stay put no matter how often you refresh. Set it to false and Team 1 data will replace them during a refresh. There is one known issue with the order function in a universal report that would output this error message. This error is caused by the cube name missing in the MDX. The temporary fix is to add the cube name manually. And that wraps up the updates on IBM Planning Analytics for Excel.